On Vacation. Written by Susan Spence Allard, illustrated by Signe Nordin. It was finally summer again. Every summer my little sister Anna and I visit our Grammy. Why do you call her Grammy? My friends always ask. She doesn't like to be called Grandma, I say. When we ask her why, she just laughs, I say. Our Grammy likes to be silly. She does things most grandmas don't do. Anna and I were excited for our visit. We called Grammy on the phone. We will see you soon, we said to Grammy. We will have a very special vacation, said Grammy. We went to her house the next day. It was painted bright purple. We skated in the park and went around in circles. Grammy led the way. We put colored streamers on our bikes and rode through town. Grammy led the way. We dressed up in silly clothes and put on a play. Grammy was the star of the show. We went to the beach and made castles in the sand. Grammy collected shells to put on top. We jumped on the trampoline and tried to touch the sky. Grammy jumped the highest. We took a long nap in a hammock. It was hard to keep up with Grammy. Vacation was over. We got in the car to go home. We will miss you, we said to Grammy. Only until your next trip, Grammy said.